Hello, welcome to NedDev. In this one, we're going to look at the machine ignition. So another very easy. I think they're all very easy. And this is a Linux machine. Let's open it up. So Linux web PHP web fuzzing. Cool. Spawn machine. Okay, cool. So we've got our IP address. Let's copy that in and head over to our box and ping that IP address. Yeah, all good. And nmap -sc -ss-sv. Every time. Sudo. And whilst that's happening, so it returned a site, ignition hack the box. So I wonder if we admin.php no, right, it's not going to be that easy. Let's see what it said. Right, what do we have open? We've just got exactly what we were looking at. So we've got a port 80 open with an Nginx server. Now let's have a look at some of these questions. Which service? Nginx. And 114.2. What is the 3-digit HTTP status code returned when you visit the machine IP? Alright, let's get that up and then get the inspector. Where's the inspector at? Let's see. Debugger we want, or console, memory, network. Anyway, network right in front of me. So let's reload the page. Let's actually load get. We got 302. Let's put that in here. So 302. What is 302? 302 HTTP status. 302 found. 302 found redirect status. Alright. Resource requested has been temporarily moved to the URL given by location header. Might be worth noting down. And back to the box. What is the virtual host name the web page expects to be accessed by? So it's this thing. Ignition.hdb. What is the full path to the file on the Linux computer? It holds the local list of a domain name and IP address pairs. That would be etc vhosts. Ah, of course. I was nearly there. etc hosts. What is the URL, full URL to the... Yeah, well that's just... Has that just given it to us? I think it has. Right, let's go back to here. -b. Oops. And we'll go. Right, let's put in our IP address and then ignition dot hack the box. Okay, I've got to be roots. Hey, there we go. Just needed to write our own DNS. Wow, right, okay, stuff is happening. So now what we can do is a bit of directory enumeration. So go. Right, let's just go straight there, shall we? So admin. Right, we've got a login page. May as well try our luck. Nope. Admin password. What password provides access to as admin to Magneto? Different classes of characters in password is 3. Lowercase, uppercase, digits, and special characters. Okay. Well, if we have to do some brute forcing, that's going to come in handy. Okay, so no spaces. The length of this field must be equal to, or so, min 8 characters. What would work? Something like password. Administrator 3. So let's look up most common passwords 2021. QWERTY 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, your flag is that. So we're in. That took me far too long. See you in the next one.